Hello friends, welcome back to my Sitecore Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in Sitecore and .NET. This is the second video from the series Tools Every Coder Must Know. So today's episode we are going to talk about Visual Studio Code, and that is VS Code. Now what are the features of Visual Studio Code? First is syntax highlighting. So in Visual Studio Code, when you are writing a code, it provides different color to the different part of the code, so you can easily identify the loops, you can easily understand the code because of that. Second thing is auto correction. Visual Studio Code helps you to auto correct the code. So whenever you are typing it will provide you the what should be the next line. Like if you are opening the div, it is automatically closing the div. So this way it is helping you to minimize the errors as well as saving the time. The next feature is Visual Studio Code has built-in command line terminals. So for executing any commands, you do not have to go out of the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code has inbuilt command line terminal where you can run your commands. Next is there are n number of extensions in the marketplace which you can utilize with VS Code and make your life easy. So you can have many extensions used in the VS Code. For a developer, the most important thing is debugging the code, and VS Code is very good tool for the debugging. So that makes developers' life easy to find a defect and fix it, and it is faster also. Last, which is very critical functionality or a feature of a Visual Studio Code, that is Git integration. So Visual Studio Code has by default a Git integration, which means the coder or a developer can commit their code from the Visual Studio Code itself. They do not have to go to the Git or run the Git commands or go to the GitHub desktop to do any activities which is related to source control. You can also do a branching in the Visual Studio Code. So this is very critical functionality or a feature of a Visual Studio Code.